Greg, what fait là?
Eh, Malik, rien fait.
Qu'est-ce que fait là?
Ou dans zone là, mais?
On va passer là, je suspecte que ma machine là, je vais passer checker.
Ya, men, m'a jeté l'huile pour dame là.
Ah, ok. Yo, vous avez fini l'école mécanique là?
Oui, ça fait longtemps. Kounya c'est non dit le m'a travail.
Li bon men. Moi mais ça en pile lui base. Pour me dire la vérité, moi mais ouais les jeunes haïtiens a fait effort men.
Ya, men, merci en pile. Quand on t'a travaillé sur PhD ya, aussi non presque fini kounya.
Vous connaissez, a fait effort. Actuellement, moi dans internship. En parlant de ça, vous toujours gain pour ouvrir shop mécanique là?
Malik pas grand changé. Au contraire, mais c'est checker quelques business loan de quoi me ka ouvrir shop là. Mais dommage, banque vous voulez avouer.
Mon cher, la vie c'est comme ça lié. Parfois nous gain bon nan, mais moyen économie a pas permettre nous faire ça nous voulons faire. Mais ça m'abdou. Pas décourager ou juste besoin d'un monde qui peut avoir opportunité.
Jamais base. Faut que je shop ça non bon Dieu.
En tout cas, malé, bonne chance même. C'est ton bon cap pour vous.
Je souhaite ça tout.
Pourquoi qu'on finit à Orchenta, boss Craig?
Oui, me fini oui. Kounya machine à tourner fou là.
Si c'était vrai. En tout cas, combien comme $?
Esther, qui parle comme ça on parler là?
Craig, faut changer monde pour service ça yo.
On comprend. Mais si m'ka aider communauté, m'nan faut me faire ça tout.
Mais on pas gentil comme ça, bagay yo pas fait comme ça.
Okay, ma'am?
No, not really. As I was driving, I noticed my car overheating. I stopped it, but now I don't know what to do.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'm going to help.
Really? Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
My name is Candace Williams. You can call me Candace.
Oh, okay. My name is Gregory Boston, but you can call me Greg.
All right, Greg. Well, help me get back on the road.
Okay, let me take a look at the car. Can you start the car now?
Yes, you fixed it. Thank you. I really appreciate this.
You're welcome. This is what I do anyway. I like to help.
Anyway, Greg, let me pay you for this.
No, Candice, this is on the house.
You know, my grandma is going to appreciate you so much. It's her 105th year birthday preparation. Today is her birthday.
Wow, 105. That's really great. Anyway, say happy birthday to your grandma for me.
No problem, will do. Are you sure I can't pay you for this?
No, Candy, no worries. See you around. Young brothers and sisters, you guys no need to fight over a phone case. Please, it's not worth it for you guys to fight. I was listening to the conversation and trust me, it's not worth it. Imagine if one of you hurt each other. When the police come, they will take you to the juvenile detention. And this is how it starts. A very little incident like this, that's led to a big criminal case. We must protect each other. It has been too long since we have suffered from police brutality, injustice. Please don't allow the system to screw us over. We must unite it among us and fight for a better day tomorrow. Please, go home. I love you guys. Stay safe, my own blood, so you guys can hug each other. Greg, plusieurs precision mission. Bon Dieu, vous connaissez rêve moi. Ou bon mes connaissances pour venir un gros entrepreneur. Et me connaît va fin faire travail là. Je dis à papa, nan men on va aller dans banque là. M'a demandé parler dans cœur agent bancaire et puis pour faire approuver l'on là. Tout ça impossible possible pour faire une possible. Pour yo comme ça dans le petit de Jésus. Amen.
Mr. Gregory, for the amount of business loan that you are requesting, you'll need to speak to a manager.
Okay, no problem.
Please give me a moment, I'll call him. Hi, you have someone here that would like to speak to you?
Okay, sure. Bring him in.
Well, Mr. Gregory, please come
Hey, Greg, how are you? Please have a seat.
I'm great, Miss Candice. What about you?
I'm great, thank you. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm looking for a business loan.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.